Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. Begin by opening device's settings. In them, you need to scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Then select Location Services at the top and tap on this green switcher next to Location Services. Then select Turn Off in the pop-up, and as you can see, after that, location of this iPhone is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!